So the quest to remove wind noise is always a thing when you're on a bike with an action camera. Now right now I'm dealing with cicada noise too, but you know, there's nothing you can really do to block that out. But I usually in the past have used this kind of foam wind cube to put around my camera. Today I decided to give these a try. These are these little wind mic covers that you can just stick on top of your microphone, and hopefully that reduces it. This thing, while handy, is also kind of a hassle to use when you're trying to change out a battery or an SD card, and plus it's just kind of bulky. So if I can ditch this, I'll be happy. Hopefully these microphone covers will do a better job, because when they're on, I have full access to my camera. I have nothing impinging any sort of doors or anything like that. So let's see how it goes. Okay, first this will just be downhill. Wind's pretty loud in my ears. Okay, we'll go in a more open, flat, wide open section next. Okay, this stretch of road we're about to go on is kind of calm right now, but there is a mild crosswind. But when you start getting up to faster speeds, it should generate some wind noise. So we'll see if these things can cover them up here. Okay, this should be generating some wind noise right now. It's pretty loud. Truck wind. Oh, there it was. Got the wind jammer on right now. Okay, I just took the wind jammer off. Got a nice headwind, so we might be able to hear a difference this time. On your left. Sorry. So here's the GoPro. Here's the Windjammer foam case, and these are just the fuzzy microphone covers. Putting the camera into the foam case, you just kind of jam it in there. You get it to fit the way you want it. All right. All the buttons are exposed. The feet are exposed. And there's the top button. Okay, everything's available. The problem is that it's kind of tricky to screw this into a mount, because you can kind of see how the foam kind of covers up the hole that you would stick the thing through. I mean, it's not like it's impossible to put on. It's just an annoyance. If you want to get access to the battery on a ride or for whatever reason, you have to be able to peel this off, and you can get to the camera, or to the camera battery here, close it back up, and peel this back on, and reset anything that might have gotten disjointed. All right, let's look at the fuzzy covers. Okay, here's the fuzzy covers right here. It's a pack that comes with a bunch of double-sided stickers and a bunch of these fuzzy covers right here. So you peel the tape off each side, and you put one around the top mic and one around the front mic. And then once it's on the mic, you take this and you stick it onto the top sticky part of the tape, and you're good to go. And without anything impeding these feet or anything like that, it's really easy to attach it to a GoPro mount like this. Okay, so there's really no hassle. Plus getting to the case for the battery change, again, no problem whatsoever. Now I listened to the footage, and to me, to my ear, the amount of wind reduction with this versus the wind reduction with this is almost negligible. They both sound about the same to me. This might have been a hair better, but not by much. So I have to move on to which is more convenient to use. And this by far is more convenient. Having to take this thing on and off, peel it off the side so it can get to the battery is just more hassle than it's worth. Price wise, you get 2 of these for $10, or this case of covers and stickers for I think $8. So that's kind of a wash. So convenience wise, I'm going with this. This will go on my shelf of retired camera gadgets. Well, that's about all I had for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.